Yo, what's good, guys? Have you ever been 100% sure that you knew what someone was thinking? Your friend, your girlfriend, your boss, only to find out that you were way off. Like you thought they were pissed at you, but they were just hungry. We've all been there. Today, we're diving into why you suck at reading minds, why assuming what someone's thinking can screw you over, and how to stop doing it. Stick around because this one's going to hit home. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. All right, so let's start with the truth. You're not Professor X. None of us are. Science backs this up. There's this thing called empathic accuracy, a fancy term for how good you are at guessing what someone's thinking or feeling. Spoiler alert, we're all garbage at it. A 2011 study in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that on average, people are about 20 to 30% accurate when guessing someone else's thoughts. That's barely better than a coin flip. Even crazier, a 2005 study showed that you're not much better at reading your girlfriend's mind than a total stranger's. So why are we so bad at this? Because our brains are lazy. They fill in the blanks with our thoughts, not the other person's. Ever think that your friend's mad at you because you'd be mad if you were in his shoes? That's called projection, and it's your brain gaslighting you. So next time you're sure someone's judging you, they might just be thinking about tacos or something. Let's not build a whole drama in our heads out of nothing. So here's the deal. When you assume you know what someone's thinking, you're not just wrong half the time, you're blinding yourself to the truth. So think about this too. You're at work, your boss gives you a weird look, and your brain's like, he hates my report, I'm getting fired. But he's just squinting because he lost his contacts earlier. Psychologists like William Ickes, who studied this for years, say we project our own fears and insecurities onto others, especially when we're stressed. So if you're worried about looking weak or failing, you're going to assume they're thinking that too, but they're probably not. A 1999 study in Psychological Bulletin called this the false consensus effect. We think everyone else sees the world like we do. Spoiler, they don't. This messes us up in relationships, too. That same 2005 study I mentioned, it found that guys in long-term relationships sometimes suck worse at reading their partner's mind because they're too confident. You think, I know her, I got this, and then you're, getting in a fight over something stupid later because you misread her completely. Assuming keeps you stuck in your own head, not in reality. And that's where we're going wrong here. So, how do we fix this? How do we stop playing psychic and start seeing what's actually going on? 2 words, check it or chuck it. First, check it. If you think your friend's pissed, your girl's distant, or your boss is scheming, just ask him. Not like, yo, are you mad at me? Like don't do it that way, but like try something more chill, like, hey, I noticed you seemed off earlier, is everything cool? A 2002 study in the Journal of Research and Personality found that asking for clarification boosts your accuracy big time. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. You'll be surprised how often you're going to get the response, nah, I'm just tired. And then crisis averted. Second, chuck it. If you can't ask or it's not worth it, then just let it go. Your brain loves to spiral, but you don't have to. Tell yourself, I don't know what they're thinking, and that's fine. Mindfulness, guys, it's not just for yoga dudes. It's about staying grounded instead of letting your imagination run away. So seriously, this saves you a ton of stress. Stop trying to be a mind reader because you're not good at it. None of us are. Bottom line, you're not a mind reader, and assuming you are is keeping you from seeing the truth. You're projecting your own fears, overthinking looks, and building stories that aren't real. Science says we're right maybe 20 to 30% of the time, maybe. So next time you're sure you know what someone's thinking, pause, check it by asking, or chuck it and move on. This is going to save you from arguments, stress, and probably a few awkward apologies too. So try it out this week. Let me know how it goes in the comments. What's a time you totally misread someone else's vibe? Let me know, because I'm curious. If you like this, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. And I guess that's pretty much it. So until next time, stay curious, stop assuming, and I'll catch you in the next video.